Detroit, the heart of the American auto industry. And here in Stellantis' modern assembly complex, Detroit Assembly Complex, Mack, is where the Jeep Grand Cherokee and Grand Cherokee 4xe Hybrid are born. The DCM plant is one of Stellantis' most advanced assembly facilities in the United States, combining highly automated production lines with the labor of thousands of American engineers and technicians. The facility was built in 1991 and produced the first Jeep Grand Cherokee in January 1992. In July 1999, the facility was expanded. Production of the 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee launched in August 2004 and Jeep Commander production launched in July 2005. In May 2010, the all-new 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee rolled off the line. A second shift of production began on July 19, 2010. The all-new 2011 Dodge Durango, the first Dodge ever to be produced at Jefferson North, began production on December 14, 2010. In March 2023, the plant begins production of the Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe. In January 2012, the company announced that it would add a third crew or 1,100 jobs in the first quarter of 2013. Then in April 2012, the company announced that it was pulling ahead its plans to add the new jobs in November 2012. The third crew actually started on October 29, 2012. On August 13, 2013, Jefferson North employees celebrated the 5 millionth vehicle to roll off the assembly line, a billet silver 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee, which was donated to the USO. Nearly 3 years later, on May 25, 2016, the plant produced its 6 millionth vehicle. This time, a 75th anniversary 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee in granite crystal. On February 26, 2019, FCA announced plans to invest $900 million to retool and modernize the plant to build the Dodge Durango and next-generation Jeep Grand Cherokee, with 1,100 new jobs expected. It was part of a $4.5 billion investment announcement that will impact 5 existing Michigan facilities and build a new assembly plant within the city of Detroit. In total, the proposed projects will create nearly 6,500 new jobs. Each Grand Cherokee begins its journey at the Body in White, BIW, workshop, where steel body panels are welded by high-precision robots. This is the skeleton of the vehicle, where the structure and rigidity of the entire body is shaped. From there, the body moves to the paint shop, where the first layer of anti-corrosion and soundproofing paint is applied to the entire surface. Then, multiple layers of color are meticulously sprayed by robots, providing high gloss and durability, especially with colors like velvet red or Jeep's signature bright white. After painting, it's time for the general assembly. This is where the interior is installed, and the engine and transmission are placed on the chassis. Here, hundreds of details, from wiring, seats, air conditioning systems, entertainment screens, are assembled with near absolute precision. Important steps such as windshield installation, wheel mounting, and hybrid system on the 4xe version are all monitored by a digital inspection system to ensure each vehicle meets Stellantis and Jeep's global standards.
What's the key operator for that? What's the key operator?